Hey there, video enthusiasts! Are you on the hunt for something fresh in the screen recording and video editing landscape? If Camtasia has been your long-term buddy, but you're feeling the itch for change, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Camtasia alternatives that might just become your new go-to tools. Let's get into it. Camtasia has been a titan in the industry, known for its user-friendly editing tools and advanced screen recording features. It's been a favorite amongst educators, YouTubers, and professionals for years. But change can be exciting, and exploring new options can spark that creative magic. Enter the alternatives, starting with Filmora. It strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and a robust feature set. It's ideal for both newbies and seasoned editors who want efficient video creation. Then we've got HitFilm Express, the haven for those who relish intricate effects and crave a more hands-on editing experience. It's a fantastic playground for creativity, with high-quality composite shots and 3D animation capabilities. If you're into live streaming, OBS Studio could be your shining star, offering a plethora of features for a professional broadcast quality. And for the open-source advocates, Shotcut presents an adaptable platform influenced by the community it serves. Each option has its unique charm, and the choice ultimately depends on your personal needs. Whether it's Filmora's hassle-free editing or HitFilm Express's advanced tools, there's a spectrum of possibilities out there. So, why not give these alternatives a shot and see how they can elevate your video projects? Who knows, you might find your new favorite. Now, it's over to you, dear viewers. What's been your experience with video editing software? Do you have a favorite alternative to Camtasia, or are you considering trying one? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you're pumped to learn more about these video editing tools, check out the full details on our blog and consider subscribing for more content like this. And remember to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. That's a wrap for today. Keep cutting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.